Alright guys, today we have another auction find. Right now in this video I am not home. I'm at my grandparents' house today. But today we have a 10-inch O2Cool travel box fan. So this fan I got from the auction that I got my other fans from, like always. This fan costed $5. So this fan can either be run on an adapter, or it can be USB or batteries. This one can be, so basically the front side is black, the back side is white. This is a 5-blade fan too, so yeah. This is the back of it, and it's also I guess it's white. Can't really show you guys, but also go ahead and lay it down real quick here. It's also a heavy fan. I think you might have to unscrew it to put it in. But yeah. It might be very slow. I don't know where you should put the could be somewhere to okay. Let me try and see where I can put the cable at. I think this is let's go ahead and try and plug it in here. You can see this hole right here. See if that's basically, see if it's capable of putting it there. There we go. I think that fits. It is a shame because this also has batteries in it, but for a $5 fan, this has to be worth it. All right, it's plugged in now. I think we should give it a go. I think this is the lowest speed setting. It's actually putting out a good breeze. It's pretty quiet too. There's also a 5-inch version. Gotta let you guys know that. And there's high speed. Spin down time. Yep. Like usual, it's a pretty dull spin down time. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.